My wife crashed the jet ski. Now there is a hole in the fiberglass. Which repair kit is best? She is still my wife. Thankfully, those holes are standard SMC fiberglass. But yeah, thankfully, any boat repair place, any fiberglass repair place can handle it. Yeah, in regards to fixing your ski, thankfully, your wife damaged the easiest ski to repair, and it's thick. It'll take it. So, I mean, hell, you could go to West Marine and buy a fiberglass repair kit and take the materials to a trusted fiberglass guy. Some automotive shops even do fiberglass work. You just have to ask. But if where you live and where you are, I would first I'd reach out to a local club and be like, "Hey guys, this is where I live. You guys are all in the general vicinity. Do you have a boat repair place that you trust?" If you come up empty on that, go to a dealership that you like and ask them if they have a boat repair place that they like. Recommendations are always better than going through the yellow pages, which I don't think anyone even has the yellow pages anymore. I just dated myself. You might as well have a wall phone with a long cord. Just totally dated myself. Thankfully, Kawasaki's are built like freaking World War II battleships. So I've seen repaired hulls do the Mark Hahn. I've seen patched up hulls do incredible stuff because again, it's thick. It's super thick. It's multi-layered. As long as you got a guy that you trust who does decent work, externally, he can blend the black gel coat and no one would know. Internally, you might see big globs and where they've layered and layered and layered and built it up. But as long as it hasn't hurt anything on the inner liner, you're groovy.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.